like, let's talk pricing now. How much like do you typically charge?
Normally, I charge around 600 to 700 per month. Bi-weekly, it could be around 300 to 350 per bi-weekly. As we don't have enough live clients for now, how about $300 per month?
If like everything's working good and you're doing good, then yeah.
I do have one question. Like in the future, if I continue with you for a long run, then is there any opportunity for me to get more, like get commission or maybe raise in my salary?
Yeah, there's definitely opportunity. So what I would need from you essentially is pretty much just like managing those campaigns. And then once I get more clients, obviously kind of managing those as well. So how many like clients can you manage? Like how many campaigns are you able to manage?
So I've experienced managing around 10 to 15 campaigns for
Okay.
five, six clients. So I can manage. And if you onboard more clients, like 20, 30 clients in future, I can manage that as well. I can have someone else and I can train that guy
Yeah.
and I can manage that.
All right, perfect. So you have experience with like writing email copy as well, right?
Yes, I do have experience. Yes.
Okay.
I did it for recruitment agency. I did it for solar and I did it for a couple of small businesses.
Okay. So have you ever worked with either a lead generation agency or marketing agencies before?
I worked as an appointment setter for a marketing agency. They used to look for chiropractors, help them to get like more leads, patients. So that's what I've experienced. I used to send them cold text
Okay, cold SMS. Okay.
to get like leads, and then I used to do cold calling as well.
Okay. Yeah. So right now we do cold email for marketing agencies. So our clients are typically marketing agencies. So that's who we're looking for. So our first client right now we have is Holistic Horizon Marketing. They're a marketing agency that targets like acupuncture clinics, chiropractors, stem cell therapy, like that whole alternative medicine niche.
Okay.
So already have a bunch of emails set up for her. So you don't have to worry about setting up emails. Pretty much all of it's already kind of set up for that client. It's just like kind of managing it because we use Informamail to make our emails. So that's all kind of automated for us.
I'm familiar with Informamail. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So we use that. It makes it all for us. It's very convenient. So yeah, when we get a new client, which would probably be soon in January, because we're going to start doing our outreach again. Yeah, I mean, if you would be able to kind of manage all that, that would be nice. So obviously this is what I'm looking for. So like, let's talk pricing now. How much like do you typically charge and what's your fee structure?
Before I jump into the pricing, can I ask you what's the process basically when someone reach out to your email? What do? You guys have a CRM? You guys have an appointment setter? I mean, do they jump on a call immediately or what the process?
Okay, of course. So let's say we get a positive reply. So we don't really use a CRM. We kind of just email them directly from Instantly. So what we would do is we give them more information on the email and then we try to book the meeting through there. And then so we'd either send them the Calendly link or we just ask them what time works best for them and then try to book the meeting from there. And after we book the meeting, our job is kind of done from there. So our goal is to just book the meeting essentially.
Got it. So you have those template ready already, correct? Those
I do.
Follow-up email template ready, correct?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. So you want me to take care like want me to work full time, 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, or you want me to work on like part time? What's your planning right now? Because you don't have enough live client at this point.
Yeah, so right now it would probably just be part-time because there's not too much workload right now. So do you charge hourly or do you charge like on performance basis? Like
I prefer monthly, and if you can pay me bi-weekly as well. I prefer monthly. Normally if you want me to take care of everything like full-time basis, normally I charge around 600 to 700 per month. Bi-weekly it could be around 300 to 350 per bi-weekly. And I don't know about your budget. I don't know how much you can afford. So is it going to be work for you or you don't?
Well, you said that's for full time, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so for full time, that would totally work. Once we get a bunch more clients, I could do that. But obviously, right now, there's only one client. So there's pretty much only two campaigns you're going to be running. I have my personal campaign and then my client's campaign. So there's really only two campaigns. So it's not gonna take full time. You know what I mean? It literally should. Like, how many hours do you think that would take from you a
So in
week?
that case, if you want me to take care of this, then it may take like 2-3 hours a day, or because do I need to
Yeah.
scrape the leads, or you have
Right now, honestly, I could handle lead scraping. I could do lead scraping and verifying the email, so you don't have to really worry about scraping leads.
So for now, as we don't have enough live clients for now, how about $300 per month, 150 bi-weekly?
If we could do 200 for the first month just to test and try everything, I could do that.
So from the next month, it's going to be 300.
If like everything's working good and you're doing good, then yeah.
Okay, then I'm in. If from the following month, if it is like 300, and when we get like enough clients, more
Then I put you to
campaign,
full time.
then it's gonna be full time, and we can discuss later. Correct?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, because right now there's not too much workload. I'm kind of just testing the waters out, trying to see if like I could have a VA automate this for me, and then from there I could scale. And then obviously, if you're doing good, managing the campaigns well, everything's going good, then we could go to full time and then just go from there.
That's great. So you want me to start from this month, from January, from tomorrow? When do you want me to start?
January 1st or January 2nd. January 2nd would be a good time to start. That's when we're resuming all of our email campaigns.
Okay, that's really great. No worries, I can do that. Is there any way you can send me a contract that?
Yeah, I can send you a contract. Yeah, I can send you that.
Okay, then.
Or do you have a contract that you would like to send me, or do you want me to create it?
No worry, either way is fine. If you send me a contract, I can sign it back to you. It's fine.
Okay, yeah, I could make a contract. I could probably send it over by the end of the day.
Okay, no worries. I'll be waiting for your email. Is there anything else you want me to ask? You want to ask me?
There's not. I don't think I really have much questions. I mean, as long as you could deliver the results and manage the campaigns well, I'm not too worried about that. So like we'll see in the first month if you do good, then obviously we could go from there. Kind of just want to test out, see how you do that first month, and then obviously if everything's good, then we could move from there. But do you have any questions for me?
Right now, I do have one question. Like in the future, if I continue with you for a long run, then is there any opportunity for me to get more, like get commission or maybe raise in my salary?
Yeah, there's definitely opportunity. Like I said, it just depends on how well you're doing. Like if you're managing the campaign super well, we're getting a bunch of positive reply rates. Maybe I give you a more workload. We could obviously raise your pay more if you're performing well. And obviously, if you're working with me for a long time, it's obviously because you're doing well. And then obviously I could go from there. Because right now, the reason why like I can only do the $200 for the first month is because I don't know how well you're doing. I don't know how much you could provide for me. But then from there, I give you the 300. Then once I start getting more clients, I give you full time. And then from there, once you're managing the campaigns well, maybe I give you like a more workload. Maybe I could have you like do some warm calls or something for leads. I don't know. We could discuss that in the future, but there's definitely room to grow.
Okay, sure. No worries. You can count me in, and I will send you my email so that I think you have my email, correct? Or should I send you the email?
Send me the email. Do you have WhatsApp? WhatsApp is good for me.
Yeah, I do have WhatsApp. I will send you my number right after the meeting.
Perfect. Thank you, Moni. Yeah, I'll get everything sent over to you, and yeah, I'm happy to get starting in January.
It's been nice talking with you, William, and happy holidays.
You too. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.